I know when to go out, know when to stay in.
And then, you know, I talked about sort of some other areas that you could create restoration. Even, and I remember as a kid, I didn't have a very big house. I remember as a kid getting a washing up bowl, burying it into the ground, covering it over with soil, and just watch it. Frogs just came and had a little bits of rocks and stuff, and, you know, even in a bucket. Or, you know, I mean, from now, which even, you know, I've been a bit stressed. Last week I was a bit stressed. I spent half a day in my lining my little pond with clay, and I was up to my thighs in mud, puddling the clay, and boy, was that restorative. It was great. Both my son and my wife thought it was bonkers, but actually my pond is now holding water. I took it from the clay in my garden, so it's sustainable. But water is really restorative, and the thing about water is waterfalls are great, but, you know, we're not going to fit a waterfall on a balcony or in a house or anything. So, but even little water fountains or tiny little features can help, or reflective spaces. So, and fast water can excite and invigorate, and slow water can help for reflection. So add a water feature, even if it's a teeny weeny one that just bubbles away, it can add some elements. If you've got noise as well, traffic noise, you can put a water feature that's either sort of the same sound as traffic or 3 decibels below, and it will distract you from the traffic noise. So, you know, using water to help distract.